Hey everyone, this is Nate from I'mWithNate.com, Internet Marketing with Nate, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money with Clickbank without a website. Now I'm going to be able to tell you guys that with all my experience I have an idea of what works and what does not work, so I'm going to be able to share these thoughts with you or these tactics that I know that work, that I've used myself, that can actually bring you some sales to your Clickbank account. So for starters, I want to let you know why should you listen to me. Well, I've been marketing for over 5 years now, consistently making over $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. And just some proof, instead of showing you any current earnings, I figured why not just show that I do have the experience, because in my opinion it's the experience that matters. So I can date back all the way. We can last all day here showing you earnings from way back when all the way to now. But if we go back all the way to 2013, this is 5 years ago because I'm currently filming this in 2018. Let me go ahead and click on this. As you can see here, sent 12/19/2013. Payment amount $1,952. This is an affiliate commission. This was from an affiliate marketplace called Clickbank. It's very similar to Clickbank. It's actually another marketplace I would recommend you guys check out, and you guys can use the same tactics that I'm about to show you in this video to market products that are on Clickbank, so that you can begin to make money over there as well. This is just, one of the examples of the emails that I would consistently get whenever I would receive a payment. Like this is for another example. This was let me see, 2014, January 2nd, 2014. Payment amount $1,677, and you can see all the emails that I would typically receive every time they're going to send me a payment. I'll typically be getting paid about weekly or bi-weekly, depends on how much work I put into it. So with that being said, what I was doing in 2013 is kind of what I'm doing now. It has some twists and some turns to it because tactics usually change, but I've been able to adapt and still find what works and what does not. So let's get started and get into how can you make money with Clickbank without a website. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is find a product to promote. Let's say, for example, you go to clickbank.com and you're interested on trying to promote something in the health industry. So what you would do is you go down to health and fitness, look for a product. Let's say, for example, diet and weight loss. Alright, let this load. So as you can see here, you're going to see a list of products that you're going to be able to promote. For example, you can see the price, you see the promote button, and you might be wondering, what do you choose? You're going to want to look for something that does not have a low gravity score. You see here, this has a gravity 126. So just imagine every number is one affiliate who's promoting the product and getting results with it. So this has a gravity score of 126. This one has a gravity score of 81. You can definitely avoid things that have a gravity score of 0, but you would typically want to go for something that already has some type of success behind it. And if you guys take a look at my blog post, I actually have a video there that's going to help you guys a little bit better with choosing a product to promote from the Clickbank marketplace. So if we come back here, let's say we want to choose a product to promote. Let's say this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on promote. And if you haven't noticed, step 1, like I said, would be find a product to promote. Step 2 would be you obviously get your affiliate link. You click on create. And if you haven't noticed, the affiliate link looks extremely long. And if you send this to anyone, they're going to think that this is probably a download link to a virus. You're going to want this link to look more easy to consume. So what we're going to do is you're going to have to cloak your affiliate link. That's going to be step 2. You're going to want to cloak your affiliate link. You can do that. It's very easy. Just go to a website. It's called bit.ly. Very self-explanatory. Click on the sign up button, create your account, and then you see here, simply paste your link, click on shorten, and just like that, you click copy, or you can manually right click copy, and now you know that you can paste this shortened version, easier to click on version anywhere. Let's say, for example, you post it on a social media website like Twitter or Facebook, or do whatever the case may be, or maybe you want to get into advertising. So now you're wondering, how do you get people to actually click on your affiliate link? Because essentially, making money without a website isn't the issue. The issue is actually finding out how to get traffic, how to get people to click on whatever you're trying to get them to click on, whether that's an affiliate, whether that's a funnel, or whether you're sending them traffic directly to an affiliate link itself, which is what we're doing here. Although I do not recommend we do what I'm about to show you, I'm still going to show you regardless, just to get your needs out of the way. So now that we got that copied, one thing you can do is we can use YouTube as, you know, we can use YouTube as a method to get tons of people to view your content. And then once those people view your content, they can actually click the link in whatever you have to offer. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's something that actually will help the customer. That's another thing you have to keep in mind. Whatever you're trying to promote, make sure it's something that will actually give the person that you're viewing some type of result, so that when they purchase, it doesn't cause them to, you know, want to get a refund. Because that's another thing. Getting the sale is only the first step. Actually making sure the customer sticks with the product is a whole different step, which is why you always want to make sure you promote something that actually helps what the customer is looking for, whether it's a course that'll make them get the results they want, or a physical product, whatever the case may be. So let's say we found that, you know, we shortened our link, and now it's time to get the traffic. So I told you the power of YouTube. It's one of the world's biggest search engines that you can use. Tons of people are use it to search things up. For example, somebody might search for the term "how to lose weight." If we look at here, Google's the largest search engine in the world. Right behind that is YouTube. So I'm pretty sure YouTube will get very similar search results to what we're seeing here on Google. So just by doing a little bit of keyword research, we can see how many people can possibly see our video if we rank our video on page 1 on YouTube. Because that is essentially what we would be doing in the method that I'm trying to show you today. You would get your link. Let's say you're promoting something about weight loss. You would create a quick video. It doesn't have to be a video with your own face. You can buy a $20 mic from a convenience store like Walgreens, Rite Aid, Target, Walmart. Buy a microphone, connect it to your laptop, and then you can get a software called Camtasia Studio. If you guys don't know what Camtasia Studio is, it's a screen recording software. It's very self-explanatory. Do a quick Google search about it, download the 30-day free trial, and with that you plug it in, you'll be able to do a screen record. You might be able to, I don't know, maybe talk about the product, review the product, recommend it, and title it something that's related to whatever you're trying to promote. Let's say, for example, you're trying to promote weight loss. You may want to make a video called "how to lose weight," and you may want to rank for that on YouTube. Because let's say you upload your video, and when people search for that term on YouTube, maybe your video pops up as number 1 on page 1. You would be getting hundreds of thousands of people viewing your video for free, just by having your video there. And you would have the affiliate link in the description. In this scenario, you would be sending the traffic directly to the affiliate link here. So now what you would have to learn how to do is actually rank your YouTube video. Actually making the video and uploading it and whatnot, like I said, that's pretty much self-explanatory. I won't show that here in this video, not to make it too long, but I will have recommendations below of a course that can get into more detail on tactics that you can use to make more money with Clickbank or with affiliate marketing in general. But back to what I was saying, create the YouTube video. Once the YouTube video is uploaded, you're going to want to go ahead and try to get some engagement on that video. Try to get that video to get some views. One thing you can do, which is sort of a paid method, is YouTube advertising. It's very self-explanatory. Again, I won't be giving too much information in this video, not to make it too long. If you guys want more information on any of these individual topics, whether it be anything like YouTube advertising, trying to rank a video on YouTube, or Facebook advertising, or just getting more traffic in general to get more sales, leave a comment down below, and I probably already have a video about that, or a course that I can send you that'll help you get the results that you want, or learn the tactic that you would like to use. But all you would do is upload your video. If you notice your video isn't getting any views, you can give it a quick boost to get it some views, because when your YouTube video has views, it essentially helps it rank. Because you might be wondering what helps a YouTube video rank. It's engagement, which means how many views does your video have. Out of those views, how long do people watch your video, etc., etc. So one thing that you can do in your YouTube video, let's say, for example, your video is titled "how to lose weight," you may want to do some quick Google search and actually give the customer some value. Maybe it's a screen recording of a Maybe it's a screen recording of a slideshow, and that slideshow may show the customer what they can do to, or some weight loss diet plans that they can go through in order to lose weight, or maybe some top 10 things to avoid if they're trying to lose weight, or maybe you can show them top 10 workouts plus top 10 foods to eat in order to lose weight. You can give them like a quick little bits of nuggets of information in these YouTube videos that you make, and then you would sum up the video by recommending them to a full course, and then that's where you put your affiliate link in the description, so that the customer will be able to purchase whatever it is that you want them to purchase. And that's essentially what you would be doing with YouTube marketing. Is what I technically what I would prefer to call it, video marketing. There's so many other methods that go intact with this, but like I said, this can be very simplified into an easy step-by-step tutorial. Just go ahead and click the link below, and you'll be able to get access to that. I also give lots of free information at my website, imwithnate.com. Like I mentioned, any of these topics that I'm kind of rushing through now, I probably have a video about it on my website, so you want to go ahead and check that out. But just like I said, that's exactly what you would do. Now, to rewind kind of, I wouldn't recommend you go with this scenario where you're sending traffic directly to an affiliate link. I think that's a huge mistake, because there's pros and cons to trying to market something without a website. Just one of the pros is, essentially, if you are marketing without a website, you don't have to waste money on things like a domain name, website, a website theme, plugins. There's like a little to zero cost of initial investment if you're trying to market something without a website. So that, in my opinion, that's literally the only pro of marketing without a website. And that's just a temporary pro, in my opinion, because you end up losing in the long run if you go with the method of, trying to save money by not using a website, by not investing in a website to try to promote something. Let's talk about the cons of marketing without a website. Now, one of the biggest cons in marketing without a website is loss of customers. Not just loss of customers, but also loss in sales, and you just end up losing. But you might be wondering, how is it that you end up losing just by not using a website? So let me go ahead and explain that to you right now, and you guys can take a look at everything I'm explaining to you now, a written version in my blog post. I'm having a link for that in the description below, where you'll be able to see a written version of everything that I'm saying right now. So why is marketing without a website something that you should avoid? Now, in order to understand why is marketing without a website so bad, you must first understand how having one can increase your sales. When you market without a website, you would typically be sending traffic directly to an affiliate link, which is what I just showed you earlier in the video. You would get your link, copy it, shorten the URL, paste it into a YouTube video, maybe you paste it into a Twitter, or maybe there's someone on Twitter, or you can look up with Twitter search functions to see who's talking about weight loss, and maybe you can paste that link into people that'll help them. Maybe someone's looking for answers, and you present them with the solution, which would be the affiliate link to your product, to the product you're promoting about weight loss in this specific scenario. And then boom, that sends them directly to the affiliate offer. But one of the biggest cons with that is that as soon as they click on your affiliate offer, if they exit that affiliate offer, you will never be able to contact that customer ever again. Ever. You essentially are losing out on potential customers, which means you're losing out on potential sales. So what can you do with a website that'll help you not lose out on sales? So here's an example of something called an email funnel. Instead of sending traffic, and if you guys don't know what traffic is another word for visitors or clicks. Instead of sending traffic directly to an affiliate offer, you would send them to a squeeze page where you offer them something for free. Maybe a free ebook, free bit of information, offer their name and email address. They opt in. Soon as they opt, obviously a percentage of them won't opt in, but out of those who do opt in, after they opt in, you'll send them to the affiliate offer. And now here's the beauty about this email funnel that you can make only if you have a website. Once you send them to the affiliate offer, when they exit that affiliate offer page, let's say they don't purchase and you don't make the commission, you still have more chances to get that same person to buy from you, because you now have that person's email address, and you can send them an email with maybe a different offer about weight loss, or the same one, and so on and so forth. And email 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all these emails will be sent to them automatically, automated with something called an email autoresponder. And I can get into that a little bit more in a different video, but you guys can start to see the potential of why you need a website in order to market these certain products and get more success and just end up making more money. Whenever you have a website, it's something that can take you from making a couple $100 a month with affiliate marketing to making thousands of dollars a month with affiliate marketing, or even more. It can really drastically change the path that you're headed in. So with that being said, if you guys want more information on actually getting into using the benefits of using websites to promote with affiliate marketing, or how to get traffic, go ahead and click the first link in the description below, and that's a recommended course for you guys, so you guys can check out, go through it, and learn exactly more in depth of what I'm showing you now, to squeeze as much affiliate sales as possible. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. As I mentioned, I will probably, if you guys have any recommendations of what you want to learn in the future, I will probably make another video addressing that concern as well. So with that being said, I really hope you guys like this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if this video did help you, don't forget to subscribe and check out my website, imwithnate.com. Don't forget, subscribe.